it's Morgan, and today we are going to be making a super cool art piece. Today's is one of my favorites. We are going to be making melted crayon art, but as hair. Alright, let me show you the materials that you're going to need. You will need a white canvas. I am using an 18 by 24 inch. A pencil and a black marker, a box of crayons, a hot glue gun and 1 or 2 hot glue gun sticks, and a blow dryer. The first step is to draw this face on your canvas using a pencil. Grab a black marker and go over the penciled outline. Plug in the hot glue gun. Be sure to ask an adult if you are allowed to use this, as it can be very dangerous. While your hot glue gun is warming up, take out your crayons and organize them in the pattern you want. I am going to lay mine out in the order of the rainbow. Once you're happy with the way that your crayons are laid out, you can start gluing them down one by one. Once all of your crayons are glued down, bring your canvas over to the wall and tilt it upside down and put it on an angle like this. And make sure you have some paper towel or a towel underneath so crayon doesn't get on the floor. Plug in your blow dryer and blow them so they will melt. Look at how amazing this art turned out. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for making this with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Please take a picture of your finished project and send it to the art gallery's email, art@kawarthagallery.com. Be sure to include your first name, age, and title of the project. The art gallery is going to post photos of your art on the website and social media so you can see your art posted online.